Perhaps you want to add pockets to your favorite dress, or you want to make a skirt with the pockets hidden perfectly in the seams. Look no further. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and it's really simple as well. So you want to start obviously by cutting out your skirt, or if you have a dress that you want to add pockets to, I'm going to need you to seam rip part of your side seam where you want the pockets to sit. But in this video I'm just making a skirt from scratch, so obviously you need all your skirt pieces and you need to assemble those except at the side seam. And you also need 4 pocket pieces. These are identical and you can use up fabric scraps to make your pockets. It's a great way to use up smaller bits of fabric that you can't use otherwise. And I'm going to link a pattern for you to copy down below, but it's also really easy to draft your own pattern. Simply trace around your hand very generously with a lot of extra space on a sheet of paper, and you should have a pocket pattern right there. Lay your skirt on the ground with the right side or the outside of the skirt facing up, and place your pocket piece right side down onto that fabric. You're going to match up the opening of the pocket with the side seam of your skirt and then sew that together. I know this is counterintuitive, but you're going to sew the pocket opening to the seam allowance of your skirt. You will need to do that with each of your pocket pieces. Iron if necessary. You're then going to flatten that and push the seam allowance towards the pocket and do something called understitching, which means to stitch down the seam allowance about 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters away from the actual seam, which will prevent the pocket from creeping out of your skirt. And now that the pockets are attached to the skirt, I want you to attach the front and the back panels of your skirt right sides facing at the side seams, and then you're going to sew down the side seam, around the pocket, and continue down the side seam. By the way, this is part of my whimsical gingham dress, so if you want to see the full video for that, click the little card in the corner. And that's literally it. Turn your skirt inside out and you have the perfect invisible pocket. Even if I hold the skirt like this and we are looking directly at the pocket, it's hardly visible, and this is so satisfying. It's super important to stay hydrated, especially if you're sewing all day. Unfortunately, tap water not only tastes bad, but you're also drinking dozens of harmful chemicals. I recently found out that my local tap water includes 46 detected contaminants, 20 of which are above recommended health guidelines, and honestly, I did not expect it to be this bad. Fortunately, Epic Water has your back. They have so many amazing filter options, from countertop pitchers to under-sink built-in filters, to help you remove harmful chemicals and improve overall water taste. Right now you can use my code AroundTheYear15 to get 15% off your first order, and whatever you do, stay hydrated.